I am firmly declaring that 2024 is a year filled with blessings. It's going to be a year where God is showing up in a big way in your life and in my life. My name is Ingrid Carlsen. This is Caratootie, and I have a new kit for you today that is based off of Philippians 4, 8, and 9. It reads, "Finally, brothers, whatever is true, whatever is honorable, whatever is just, whatever is pure, whatever is lovely, whatever is commendable, if there is any excellence, if there is anything worthy of praise, think about these things. What you have learned and received and heard and seen in me, practice these things, and the God of peace will be with you." This year, I'm on a journey to do just that. It's to focus on those things that are good and just and honorable and pure and lovely, and focus on those things. There are so many things around us that are not that, and they can take our focus sometimes. So this year, I hope that you will join me on this journey as we look for beauty everywhere. This kit was born from that. It was born from flowers that are coming up in springtime, and how grateful I am in particular for this season of life, of how beautiful everything looks like when you go outside and you hear the birds chirping and butterflies fluttering. And I hope this kit conveys that in some way. As you can see, it is completely full of florals, and I wouldn't have it any other way. I can't wait to start creating with this kit because you guys know florals live in my heart. I love them so much. I love having them around me. I love either in real life or in paper form. And more often than not, especially if there's a game on, whether it's basketball or football at our house, I can actually sit down and work on some of my kits. Sometimes there are pieces that don't make it or haven't made it yet. Sometimes I mesh different pieces together and come up with a kit. And so what I'll usually do is print out the pages that I have and kind of see, how do they look together? How do they feel? The page that I flipped through right before this one, it was sitting on the table and I had walked away, and I came back and I was like, yes, it's going to be a full floral kit, and I'm going to go all the way with the florals. The way this kit works is you're going to get at least 3 files. It might be 4 depending on the size. On Etsy, they have parameters. So it'll be PDF form, and you will get a background papers, the ephemera, which you can see here, as well as the tags. And the way that I designed it was for it to be a kit that you can use. Everything is here ready for you to make a full little mini album of tags. And it doesn't even have to be mini. It can be big because you can keep printing those tags out over and over, which is one of the best things that I think about printables. And so you can make as many as you want. These would be a great gift to either yourself or to someone else. And you can really make something in an afternoon. But if you want to spend a lot of time on it, then you can definitely take all weekend. We are going to be working on this in my Patreon. And if you want more information, or if you want to come and join us, I would love to have you there. I have all the information underneath the video if you're interested. And I will be sharing some stuff over on Instagram. I'm going to try to hop on some lives here and there as I have time. I just won't be able to give too much of a heads up, and we'll work on some of these. If you didn't catch it, I do have a video where I use some Tim Holtz people and butterflies to create one of the pages in the tag book already. So I'll link that down below as well. But I hope that you enjoy this kit. I hope that it sparks some creativity and imagination. Oh, and this part that I'm showing here, this is the February 1st printable freebie for Patreon. So if you join us there, you will get this as well. And just a quick little blurb, but on Patreon, you do get a discount code to my shop, which is really good. And you also get freebies twice a month, I think, but really it's like whenever I come up with something, I'm like, oh, Patreon would love this. So anyways, and I do want to take a minute while we're finishing up this video to thank all of the people that are currently supporting me on Patreon. I appreciate you guys so much, and I thank you, and I love you, and I couldn't do any of this without you guys. With your encouragement and the love that you guys send out to me, it really fills my heart and keeps me going. Thank you guys all for watching, and I just pray that you are blessed today and that you are always seeking beauty and just and lovely things. I'll talk to you later. Bye.